Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we found a car which is 2015 Geely Emgrand EC7. We will use K518 Pro to add a new key for this car. Now we need to prepare K518 Pro OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new smart key.
First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select Generate Smart Key. Choose Geely. Select EC7. First menu. Put the key of our Lonsdor into the slot. Click Generate. Generation successful. Return to the main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Select Geely. Choose Emgrand. EC7. Select Continental PEPs after 2015. Program key. Choose not to delete the original car key to add a new key. OK. Select the first password. OK. Place the key to be programmed on the center console. Take the other keys out of the car. OK. Learning is successful. Before starting the engine, please perform PEPs configuration first. OK. Select the second menu, PEPs configure. Turn on the ignition switch. OK. Select empty automatic sedan. OK. Learning is successful. OK. Let's test if the remote control is normal. Original key to lock and unlock. New key. Lock the car. Unlock. The remote control is normal.
Program the smart key successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.